Hi guys, I'm Doug Bennett with Deerfoot Media, and I'm here to tell you about the thermal camera service that Town of Vienna is offering to its residents. But what is a thermal camera and what can you use it for?
The FLIR One camera is available for both Apple and Android phones as well as tablets. The cameras can be rented on a weekly basis from the Town of Vienna Community Center at the front desk. A $300 deposit, cash or check is required to take the camera home for a 7-day period. Find problems like where you're losing heat, how your insulation is holding up, electrical issues, water leaks, and more. Open the case by lifting the front lever and tilting the top back on its hinge. Inside you will find the FLIR One camera as well as the charging cable. To begin, download the FLIR One app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store for Android users. This will be your camera's dashboard for telling the camera what to do. Open the FLIR One app and follow the instructions on the screen to begin using the camera. You will be prompted to follow the FLIR app to access your camera, photos, etc. in order for the app to work properly. For Android users, go to the Google Play Store and search for the FLIR One app. Download and open the app, following the prompts to allow the app to access your photo gallery, camera, etc. Once the app is ready, power on the camera before installing it into the device. Once the app is ready for the camera to be inserted, the dial on the camera changes the length of the phone connector, which is meant for use with various cases. This has been found to be a bit unreliable, and we recommend that you remove your case from your tablet or cell phone to use the FLIR One. The app may appear to freeze momentarily, but give it about 30 seconds to 1 minute and the thermal image will appear on your device. You will now have the option to select photo, video, and time-lapse modes on the camera. The FLIR camera will detect reflected IR light and create an image from the reflected temperature of the object.
Alright, now that you guys have your thermal images taken, what are you going to do with them? You can send them to your friends, yeah, sure, but you can also use them as a maintenance tool. You can show over time the duration of changes through seasons. You can see if there's variances and leaks throughout the year, and you can send that information to a maintenance company, or if the images are inconclusive, you can hire a company with a rig like this. They can get you a different perspective, or with a higher end, higher resolution camera that can send more detailed images to a company that will help you out.